There's always something happening. Anyway, I got a sheet metal screw inside my truck tire. So I'm going to go grab the tools we need to repair it. I'm going to show you how to repair it. It's pretty simple. And if you don't have any of the tools, you can buy a kit, and it's really cheap. It's a lot cheaper than going somewhere and paying somebody to fix it. And then once you got the tools and stuff like that, you'll be able to fix your family, friends, tires. Anyway, let's get the tools and I'll explain to you everything. All right, here's the plugs. Here's the two tools we're gonna need. We might need scissors to cut the ends off. Let's see. Glue. There we go. We're gonna need something to pull that bad boy out. Grab multiple stuff here. Yeah, that'll work. All right, here's our problem right here. So all I did was back it up so I had enough room in order to use these tools to make this happen. All right, let's talk about the tools real quick. This tool here, this is the Reamer, okay? It's got all these ridges on here. This will make that hole nice and round. Right here, this will install your plug into the tire. This is the plugs. Okay, see how they're all sticky. See how they're sticky? And we'll put it through the tool just like this. Make sure it's even, 50% here, 50% here. And what'll happen is once we ream the hole out bigger and we put this into the hole, what'll happen, it'll fold back and then it'll hold into place. When we pull it back out, this will open up where these two ends are. Let me do something real quick. These two ends will actually open up. See that? It'll open up and release the plug in there. Now, once we get it to this point here, we're going to want to take some of this rubber cement and put it on here and apply it on here, so when we stick it in, it'll stick to the tire. All right. In a pinch, though, you could just use the plug. All right. All right. I'm making sure I put on some safety glasses. I am not going to have that thing come shooting out at me. All right, so at this point, you want to make sure you've got this Reamer ready once this comes out. And, let's try this one. Ooh, all right, here we go. This one's for sure. Ooh, there it is. All right, see? I put that Reamer in, it stopped leaking. All right, next step, we want to get this reamed out. Basically, we're perfecting that hole. Now, make sure you always have this already done and prepared. We're going to go ahead and put the, holy smokes, put some rubber cement on it now. And get some cement on there too. Don't worry about, using too much. Get it on there. All right, and then we'll pull this bad boy out. Shove that plug in like that. Don't twist this. The plug is in now. All you're gonna do is pull it back. Ready? And that's it. Sealed.
Consider being a subscriber. Check out the rest of my channel. Later.